Ahoy!
Ahoy!
Morning. Welcome back to Palm Beach Reef. It is the last day before the second Spanish closure. So we thought we'd take advantage of the good conditions. Winds down, swells down, and try and bag ourselves a Spanish before they cut us off again. Fishing with the boys, Ben and DB. Bait's already in the water. Got a big bonnie on the left and a small chub on the right. As I said, bait's in the water. We are fishing. Not too many boats out at the moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tuesday morning, so before work session. Not going to have an awful lot of time. Just on 5:30. Probably have to try in by about 7. But hopefully that is enough time to bag ourselves a mackerel, get some fresh fish. Alright, you know what time it is. Let's
Daddy, would you like some sausage? Daddy, would you like some sausages?
go! Woohoo! Yeah, fishy, fishy, fishy! Where are you?
Daddy, would you like some sausage? Sausages! Sausages!
1 hour later.
Oh, here we go! Are you serious, bro? Is that a hookup? Yeah! Oh no! Oh shit, paddle backwards! Yeah, I think so. I am. Oh no! Oh no! Oh! This is not the way to fight the fish! Oh! You're backwards, man.
Backwards man, the backwards man. I can work backwards fast as you can. I can work backwards fast as you can.
Kinda. Yep. Is it still on? I'm out to your left. Hell. That was crazy. Oh my god. I'm near you still, Dan. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's a spot, yeah. Oh, make you put your head up. Oh, I dropped him. Or is it a small Spanish? I can't see. Come here. You're so slippery.
Slippery, he say.
The donut saver.
Donut? What's a donut?
Thank for that.
Thank you. Oh, baby Jesus.
Oh, you're kidding.
Kidding. Nope.
You are kidding.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
That is the donut saver of all donut savers. Not the biggest spotty, only quite small, but it's legal and it will still taste delicious.
Oh, it will not.
Oh, yes, it will.
Yeah, I would have sat on my slimy.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
Alright, we'll deal with this fish and we'll be back. Yeah, Blakey! Yeah, boy, double hookup! Alright, not the biggest spotty in the world, but it is a donut saver. DB and I both hooked up side by side. Chaos. Yes. Fresh spotty, boy. You! Oh, good morning. Look at these conditions. Palmy. You! Hey boys, I heard a little rumour. The Tuesday mornings are for the boys. Yeah. So I'm gonna be on. Here we go. Oh, did I drop it? Nah. I mean, spotty. Slimy again, yeah.
You reckon it could be Spanish? I'll keep going.
Maybe, I don't know, yeah.
Benny Blake just hooked up over here. I'm just here to your left. Yeah, Blake just hooked up. Oh, nice. I'll go run over there.
Like, this is where I had that the other day, Blake.
Really? Can't see what it is. Oh, it might be. I can feel head shakes. We got head shakes. Oh. This could be one. This could be a spanichi. It's in the right spot for one. Woo! Pressure. I reckon it is one. Feels, yeah, it feels like one. Oi, and just in line with the groin. Come on. It is a small Spanish. Looks like it's too small though. Yeah. He's too small. Spanichi! Oh, Jesus. See ya. He's off. Oh well, almost back at the launch spot, so that's like perfect. Well, the session that looked like it was going to deliver donuts managed to give us a bit of action in the end. Pretty stoked to get a spotty. Hook up again on the way in and get that small little Spanish. At least he swam away, which is the main thing. But oh well, that's it in Queensland for the Spanish fishing for the next almost month. But it's all good. Got some fresh fish to chuck in the fridge. Happy chappy. All right. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all that other stuff. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.